What's up, guys? So this is the Osmo Pocket, and I have been using this for half a year, and it's quite nice for me to make some videos outside. But there's a problem. There's a problem for if you make some videos, especially when you make some videos for sports, for the X sports. Sometimes the video quality is not good because if you move from the left to the right, the quality of the video sometimes is not good as you expect. So I'm just wondering if there are any better products in the market. What's this? Osmo Action? Guys, so this is Osmo Action, just released some days ago by the DJI company, and today we just buy this Osmo Action here to make an unboxing video. Guys, let's unbox it. Okay, so guys, let's unbox it. So let's check the box. We can see some specification on the box. It says dual screen, so there is 2 screens in the front and the back. So it's called dual screen and 4K HDR, waterproof 11 meters, 4K and 4K 16 and 1018 pixels, the resolution, screen resolution, I think. Okay, so let's unbox it. Oh, so the package is just white, very simple. Okay. Oh. Okay, so we need to cut this sticker in the side. Oh, okay, so that's it. Osmo Action. Wow. So this is the body, the Osmo Action body here, guys. Wow. And here, let's check some accessories. Accessories is just in the single white box. Let's check. So this is the, I think what it's called. Okay, it's called quick release base here. Okay. And here is a USB to Type-C USB cable, and here is the locking screw. Okay. And then this is the adhesive mount. Yes, it's called adhesive mount. And this should be the battery. Yes, the battery here. I should show you. And last we got an use manual. Wow, so many pages. And this is a warranty card. Okay, so that's it. That's it. That's it. We got the battery, the code adhesive mount, and the quick release mount, and the screw, locking screw here, and the USB-C cable. The most important should be this Osmo Action, the body here. Guys, so it shows Osmo Action. Really nice. Okay guys, so this is unboxing videos for the Osmo Action. If you guys want to know more about it, you can leave any comments down below our video and we can discuss more about it. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will do some review and making some videos by this Osmo Action, and I will let you guys know very soon. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye.